if you are around people who continuously are jealous of you and your success, who continuously talks bad about you behind your back, who continuously they do appreciate you on your face, but deep down inside they do not. If they are the people who continuously brag about their life, their things, and just complains about it and plays a victim mindset, who always wants to control your life, they want to take each and every decision of your life, and they are the people who makes you feel so drained and so exhausted, then guys, you need help. Literally, you need help, because you are around so much of toxicity. In today's video, we are going to see how to deal with toxic people. And in today's video, I'm not going to tell you that how to cut them off or how to avoid them, because that's the thing which I don't believe, like which I don't follow. Because I believe that instead of cutting off a person, you should actually learn how to deal with them. Because so for example, अगर मेरे लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो मेरे लिए टॉक्सिक है, तो आई वुड कट देम ऑफ. ओके, and is it going to happen that ever in my life I wouldn't meet a person who is toxic to me? ऐसे हो पाएगा क्या? Because we meet thousands of people, like not even thousand, we meet so many people, so उसमें ऐसा होगा ही नहीं क्या कि कोई मेरे लिए toxic निकलेगा? Of course it will happen. So I believe that you should learn how to deal with them. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल बहुत ऐसे फैमिलीज होते हैं जो टॉक्सिक होते हैं, तो क्या हम उसे कट ऑफ कर सकते हैं क्या फैमिलीज को? वी लर्न टू हाउ टू डील विद देम, राइट? क्योंकि हम कट ऑफ तो नहीं कर सकते. सो इसलिए आई बिलीव दैट वन शुड ऑलवेज लर्न हाउ टू डील विद इट रादर देन जस्ट कटिंग देम ऑफ एंड इग्नोरिंग. एंड कब तक भागते रहोगे? दैट्स द पॉइंट, कि हम हमेशा ऐसे भागते हुए नहीं रह सकते. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज दैट if you will start dealing with those people now, you will also become mentally strong. वो आपको चीज शायद स्टार्टिंग में इतना मेंटली स्ट्रांग नहीं बनाएगा, बट धीरे धीरे वो चीज आपको मेंटली बहुत ज्यादा मेंटली स्ट्रांग बना देगा. So yeah, I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will learn something from it. The first thing which I want you all to do is to set boundaries. Boundaries are the most important thing, like whether it would be your friendship, whether it is your relationship, it's important in everything, and at the end of the day it's important for you. It also protects your mental and emotional well-being, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा beneficial होता है. And ऐसा होता है कि life में हमें हर चीज़ में एक boundaries रहने चाहिए. It's important for ourselves. And whenever, so talking about toxic people, I want you all to set boundaries such as, these are the things which I want to tolerate about this person, and these are the things which I don't want to tolerate about this person. So what will happen is that जब and कभी for example ऐसे होता है कि आप अगर वैसे conversation में अटक जाते हो, like जो conversation हो रही है वो आपके boundaries के within में नहीं हो रही है, so then just make a stop to that conversation and just tell them that I'm not interested in such type of conversation with you, so please don't have this conversation with me. Because and ऐसे होगा कि next time से फिर वो आपके पास आके ऐसे बातें करेंगे भी नहीं, because they know that you are not interested. And so setting boundaries is very important. And why is it important? It's because we are telling people that how we want to be treated. So that is why it's the most important thing, and you should have boundaries for yourself. The second thing which I want you all to do is to stop that toxic person from making fun of you. Like I have always seen कि एक friend circle होता है where we all are having a conversation, and in between one friend just tells something or talks something which we don't like, and we just take it. We just don't say anything to them, even though we are not liking the fact or we are not liking the thing which they are saying. I have seen it everywhere. Everyone does this. Guys, you don't have to do this. Why you have to do this? Instead of that, tell that person then and there that I don't appreciate you, whatever you have said to me, said about me, and I want you to do not repeat it again. Say it in clear words and a serious tone. And what will happen is that person will also understand that you are not appreciating that fact, and he won't repeat it again. I promise he won't repeat it again. Because ये चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं. ऑन द सेम थिंग, अगर आप कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप जस्ट उसे लेते ही रह रहे हो, तो आज उसने आपके 4 फ्रेंड्स के सामने बोला है, कल वो जाके 10 लोगों के सामने बोलेगा. उसमें हो रहा क्या है, उसमें आप ही के बारे में बात हो रही है, आप ही के बारे में ऐसी बातें हो रही है जो आपको ही नहीं अच्छी लग रही है. सो प्लीज मेक अ स्टॉप टू इट. Just give them a notice that you shouldn't do it again. The third thing which I want you all to do is to not give advices where it's not being valued. And it really happens with toxic people, because toxic people always plays a very victim role. They always want to, they always care about their life. They always want to brag and complain about their life only. And what happens when they ask for advices, but in reality they don't even want to implement those things. The only thing they want to do is to just complain about their life and to just waste their time. And doing this, they are wasting your time as well. And you're wasting your time more when you give advices, because वो तो वो advices सुनेंगे भी नहीं, because उनको वो implement करने ही नहीं है. तो what's the point? उससे अच्छा तो ऐसे जगह पे आप आपके words रखो जहाँ पे उसकी value हो. जहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू ही नहीं है तो उधर तो रख के कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. So it's very important to give advices where it's valuable. इनके लिए देखे तो कुछ मतलब नहीं, क्योंकि ये बस अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इनको बस ये चीज़ अच्छी लगती है इसलिए वो कर रहे हैं. So please follow this thing. The fourth thing which I want you all to do is to always put yourself first. It is also very important. And see, how a friend becomes toxic, according to me, I will tell you. See, what happens is that you're with your friend and he or she is very emotionally attached to you. Why? Because you give all of your efforts to them. You literally pick up their calls in like early in the morning at 2 a.m. You do everything, but in return you're not getting anything. Like, it's always about them. It's always about their emotions, their feelings, their problems, their things. It's always about them. And जब आप कुछ चीज़ निकालते हो, आप कुछ चीज़ बोलते हो आपके लाइफ से रिलेटेड, then they are not interested or they are not available for you. But when it comes to their life, you're always available for them. Is it fair? No, I don't feel like it's fair, because it's always about give and take. अगर आप कुछ दे रहे हो, अगर आप 1000%, if you are giving to that person and in return you're not even getting 2% of it, then what's the point, guys? Because at the end of the day, it's always about their life. Nobody cares about your life. So you need to take care of your emotions, your feelings, your things. Don't take it for granted. Because if you will not understand it, if you will not give value to your emotions, your things now, तो वो लोग भी नहीं देंगे. उनका क्या जा रहा है? They will also not give it, right? So please always make yourself a first priority. Give yourself, your feelings, your emotions, your things a first priority. The fifth thing which I want you all to do is to not try to change them or to fix them. See guys, I've always noticed one thing, that there are so many toxic people, and out of them there are some people to whom we are attached to emotionally. So whenever they do some things which we don't find it good to do, then we tell them कि नहीं ऐसे मत करो, ये मत करो, and in a way we try to change their actions. But guys, listen to me very carefully. It's not possible. Unless and until they will decide that they want to change themselves, then and then only they will change themselves. We can't do anything about it. The only one thing we can do to help them is to show kindness and to show compassion towards them. That's the only one thing we can do. The sixth and the last thing which I want you all to do and to follow is to not get personal. See guys, one thing which I have noticed about toxic people a lot is that they like to gossip. They like to gossip a lot. So I want you all to make sure that whenever you're having a conversation with them, you shouldn't overshare about your things, or you shouldn't, share about your personal details to them. Because अगर at the end of the day, अगर वो किसी के बारे में अगर आपको आके बता सकते हैं, then what's that guarantee कि वो आपके बारे में किसी को जाके नहीं बोलेंगे? There is no guarantee. वो like 100% they will talk about your things to somebody else. So it's in your hand. So always have a control whenever you're talking, like talking about your personal things to toxic people. Like always make sure. And also one more thing which I want you all to follow is to, अगर वो इंसान अगर किसी के बारे में कुछ बोल रहा है किसी के बारे में और जो आपको भी पता है उस इंसान के बारे में, तो I want you all to not join that toxic person by just sharing their things also. Instead of that, please keep quiet और उनके बारे में ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें मत बताओ, क्योंकि at the end of the day वो 1000 लोगों में चीज़ें हो जाएगी. So do not join them. And yeah, so I hope that this will help you all and you all will follow these advices. And yeah,